Okay, 8th graders, math time. Again, let's put our name at the top. And you'll need something to write with, your math sheet, and some scratch paper. The top of a kite is shown below. What is the value of x? So we have 40, 85, and x. Well, we know that 40 plus 85 plus x equals 180. So we can subtract. So let's add let's group our like terms. So 40 plus 80 is 125 plus x equals 180. Then I can subtract 125 from both sides, and so minus 125 goes away, minus 125. X equals 5, 5, so x equals 55. 2. A popular toy is shown below. What is the value of x? 63, 60, and x. So we know that 63 plus 60 plus x equals 180. And 63 plus 60 is 123 plus x equals 180. Minus 123 on this side, minus 123 on this side. We get x equals 180 minus 123. 3 minus that is 7. $57. I believe. You might want to check my math on that one. Not always the best at doing math. Measure the angle. The measures of angles of the triangle RST are in ratio 249. What are the measures of the angles? So we know that 2x plus 4x plus 9x equals 180. Adding all those together, we have 6x plus 9x. 6 plus 9 is 15. So we have 15x equals 180. We divide both sides by 15. Those drop away. We have x equals 180 divided by 15. Can't do that one in my head. $12. Whoops, I didn't mean to do that one. You guys don't have to. You guys have to do this next one. Okay, so we have a ratio of 336. What are the measures of the angles? So if they're in the ratio of 336, it's actually the ratio of 112. So we have 1x plus 1x plus 2x equals 180. I'm just simplifying three. I'm dividing each of these by 3. I'm just simplifying right off the bat. So that is 1x plus 1x is 2x plus 2x's is 4x's. So I have 4x equals 180. And 4 goes into 180. 45 times. So taking that back in, our angles are, this first one is 45. Next angle is 45. And now what is 2 times x? 90. Next one, find the value of x in each triangle. So we have 158, 120, and x. So $58 plus this angle we don't have to equal 180. X plus 58 plus that angle have to equal 180. So we have x plus 58 plus an angle we don't know equals 180. And that angle we don't know plus 120 also equals 180. Which means that we can figure out that angle. We can either do this by just subtracting 120 from 180, and then we know that this is 60. Or we can use our that these two angles have to equal 120. So x plus 58 equals 120. Whoops, 120. And that is that alternate, or the opposite, what do we call that rule? Oh, remote interior angle. So our remote interior angles are equal to that one. So with this, we have x plus 58 equals 120. So we just subtract 58 from both sides, minus 58 equal, and then minus 58, that's equal, and x equals 120 minus 58, which is something I can't do in my head. 62. 8. In the ABC, in the triangle ABC, the measure of A is 2x plus 3. The measure of B is 4x plus 2, and the measure of C is 2x minus 1. What are the measures of the angles? Well, okay, this is going to be a little bit complex, and we're going to need some scratch paper. So we have a triangle ABC. A is 2x plus 3. C is 2x minus 1. And B is 4x plus 2. And altogether, we know that that equals 180. So we have 2x plus 3 plus 2x minus 1 plus 4x plus 2 equals 180. So, associative property, we can change the order we do these things in. So let's see, we can group our terms. 2x plus 3 is the same as, oh, before I do that though, I should change that negative into a positive so that I can. So this is actually, I'm going to rewrite this as 2x plus negative 1. So now I can change things around as much as I want. So now I'm going to group my like terms. So I have 2x, that 2x, plus 2x. And this is a commutative property. I'm just switching around the order that I add things in. Plus 4x. And since it's all addition, I can do that because I swapped that subtraction for a plus a minus 1. And now I'm going to take care of my things that don't have x. Plus 3 plus a 2 plus a negative 1 equals 180. Now we'll just group our like terms. We have 2x plus 2x is 4x plus 4x plus 3 plus 2 plus a negative 1 equals 180. 4x plus 4x is 8x. 3 plus 2 is 5x. Or no, not 5x, just 5. Plus a negative 1 equals 180. 5 plus a negative 1 is 4 plus 8x equals 180. Okay, now it's starting to look a little bit easier. So what do we do first? Do we get rid of the 8x or do we get rid of the 4? Well, the 4 is easier to get rid of, so we'll do minus 4. Those go away, minus 4. 176, 8x, divide them both by 8. X equals, and I can't do 176 divided by 8 in my head. But apparently the answer is 22. So x equals 22. Okay, so now we have to take this 22 and replace it back into here. So we have 2 times 22 plus 3. 2 times 22 plus 3. Well, 2 times 22 is 44. Plus 3 is 47. So A equals 47. 2x minus 1 is 44 minus 1, 43. And 4x plus 2, well, we can substitute that 22 back in. Oh, sorry, probably should. So it's equals 2 times 22 minus 1. 2 times 22 is 44, minus 1 is 43. 4x. 4 times 22 is 88, plus 2 is 90. Okay, backside. So 120, and then we have 120 plus x equals 180. Grouping our like terms, we have 120 plus 2x equals 180. Subtract 120 from both sides, and we have 60 equals 2x, x equals 30. Because I'm just dividing both sides by 2. So those angles are 30. Here we have 2x plus 3x plus x. So we have 2x plus 3x plus x equals 180. 2x plus 3x plus x is 6x equals 180. 6 goes into 180 3 times, or 30 times. X equals 30. So 2x is 60, x is 30, 3x is 90 degrees. And this one, we have x plus 2 plus x plus 72 equals 180. And this one's got parentheses, but we can change our order and our grouping because of the associative and commutative properties. So we actually we're going to group our 72 and our 2 and get 74. And our 2x's, we have 2x plus 74 equals 180. 74 minus 180 is 106. 2x, x equals 53. Okay, so this one, 72 equals 72. X plus 2, to find that one, we take this x and we substitute it in, so we now have 53 plus 2, which is 55. Now we take this and we'll put it in for x up here, and we get 53. And then find the error. Alma is finding the measures of the angles in a triangle that have the ratio 1, 3, 5. Circle her mistake and correct it. So we have x, 1x, 3x, 5x, so that she's got it set up okay here so far. 5 plus 3 plus x is not equal to 8x though. So 5 plus 3 is 8, 9. So this should be 9. And then 9 goes into 180. 20. So x equals 20. So our angle measures are 20 degrees, 3 times 20, 60 degrees, and 5 times 20, which is 100 degrees. And then 8th graders, you are done.